Now in this pot, I'm making a chocolate sauce that I'm gonna serve along with our Grand Marnier Chocolate Souffle. I've got a half a stick of butter and 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Now to this, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. And I think I'm gonna switch over to my whisk. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 a cup of sugar. And now I'm gonna add 1/2 a cup of heavy cream. Now I'm gonna stir in just a pinch of salt, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. Not much, but just a little bit. All right. Now I'm gonna cut it off and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can hear that vanilla kind of sizzling in there. All right, now I'm gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of Grand Marnier. And you're talking about killer good over ice cream, y'all. Vanilla ice cream, whoo. Okay, 1.5 tablespoons. All right, now I'm just gonna pour this up into a pretty little glass container so that everybody can just take as much as they want. So our sauce looks fabulous. So come on over and let's take a peek because it should be ready. So come on in so y'all can see it. Oh, it's beautiful. Whew, look at that. How great does that look? It didn't fall. So I'm so happy with the way this turned out. Now I've garnished this with some orange peel. This is gonna give it a wonderful, wonderful flavor. Just drizzle me. So here we go. There are just almost not any words to describe it, y'all.